Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to do a quick video while I'm driving. I had to go pick up a hard drive for my computer. I work at home, so sometimes I gotta make runs to the office to go grab like paper, or in this case a hard drive. I'm gonna have to swap out my my work computer's hard drive because we're all working from home, so it's like you gotta be your own IT guy, right? So anyway, what I wanted to get on and just talk briefly about is just affiliate marketing. You know, I don't know everything about affiliate marketing, but I'm learning daily. And there's nothing wrong with that, okay? The only thing that I caution everybody about is being stuck in the hamster wheel of I need to learn all of this stuff before I get started. Look, there's so many automated systems out here. There's the multiple income funnel. The power lead system has all kinds of share coded funnels. You have the David Deacle funnels, which I think he has a new one called Liberty Launch Pad. And those are high ticket, by the way. Then you have little micro funnels. You got all of these automated systems that all you do is promote, run traffic to, and it all does, you know, it does everything for you. There's plenty of time to learn on the back end. So, I mean, so it's like, don't get stuck with trying to learn all you need to everything and wait for that perfect time to start. The perfect time to start is now. You can learn as you go. You can learn as you quote unquote learn and earn, right? There's so many automated systems. There's so many free systems, right? I got two of them, you know, and basically for one, there's one called the commission loop, right? It's made by Traffic Dominators or Traffic Domination. And basically your affiliate offer is a get response account and TD pages, right? Those are your affiliate offers that you can make commissions off of. But it is free to start, right? Because they both have free trials. So as a newbie, or I hate saying newbie, as a beginner, you can grab those two tools and promote those two opportunities together as a business for newbies or beginners to get started and generate affiliate commissions off of. See, and you know, part of that is they have the group that you can learn in, right? So you're earning and learning. While you're learning how to drive traffic to it, you're also building your list. I mean, that's an excellent opportunity. Then you have the other opportunity, which is with the power lead system. There's a share coded funnel that does the same thing with Aweber, right? And it promotes Aweber as your affiliate offer. It also has a component in there where you can plug your lead lightning, which is your $7 offer, and the power lead system. So it's a affiliate funnel that promotes those three systems. And you can get started for a little as $2 a day. And basically that's just the power lead system that you're paying for, the platform that you can make recurring commissions off of. So I think as a beginner, you're enticed by a lot of different things that are all distractions. You know, if you're gonna start, just get in somewhere. That's the biggest thing. And if you're super skeptical about how much money you're willing to invest, then it's not for you. I mean, everybody has a particular budget. Everybody knows how much they want to invest in a business, or not in a business, but in yourself to be a businessman, or, you know, everybody has a budget, but there's no such thing as trying to start a business and being skeptical about everything. I mean, that's just crazy. I mean, you see people in these groups, and I'm trying not to be harsh about it, but you see people in these different groups asking questions or making comments, I'm gonna say, because they're not even asking questions. They're just making direct comments like everything is a scam. So it's like, why are you even in this group then? Like, who hurt your feelings to where you feel like they owe you now? And I watched the video today, and and they said it, I think it was Bones, he said it in a so much funny, what do they owe you? Like, the person who you use their link, what do they owe you after just sharing a link with you? Like, when you buy something from a blog site, and this example was this, when you click on a blog and you're reading the blog and you click on a link and it takes you to Amazon and you buy that product, do you go back to the blog site and complain about the product? No, because all the blog site did was was share their link with you. And that's the same thing that there's people out here on in Facebook land or whatever. They get into these opportunities and then they complain about the person who shared their link to them, which I never really even thought about until I watched that video today. And I'm like, yeah, that's true. Like, you got people out here complaining about particular people, how they're calling them scam artists or this and that, and really all they did was share their link. That's no different than any business on the internet right now. They're sharing your link, you click the link, you buy or you don't. But you never go back to the person, you never go back to the website where you first found the link from. No, you don't. Right? You complain to the company. What company? The company of the product company or whatever. But I thought that was really interesting, and you know, obviously I just thought that was super interesting, and I think it was I think it's helpful to think about that, especially in affiliate marketing. Like, we're all looking for the perfect sponsor. We're really, this ain't MLM, this ain't team building. We're independent affiliates. You know, all we do, we make our commissions off of sharing our link. Now, it's up to the individual person if they want to help you or not, but they don't really owe you anything. And that's probably what took me so long to like really get into it, is you know, maybe I was looking for help at the beginning so many years ago, when finally I decided to get serious about it. I did it all myself. You know, I stopped waiting for the perfect opportunity, the perfect time. I stopped waiting for me to get done with learning all of the stuff I could, then trying it. No, I just jumped in it and just started doing it. I fumbled, I learned it. I'm still not the best at it, but now I know that you know, it's not as hard as it seems. You just get in here and you get your affiliate offer and you promote it. You find different ways to promote it. You get free traffic, you know, by putting it on social media, and or wherever, make a YouTube video about it, or you get paid traffic. It's really not that hard. It's really not as hard as we make it out to be. And you really don't have to spend hours and hours of trying to study and learn every single detail. That all comes with you just taking action and getting it and doing it. But that's all I'm doing. I'm just ranting, but it's pretty amazing to me. I like affiliate marketing. I think it's like I said, I think it's one of the better opportunities out here. You don't have to have an inventory. You don't have to have products. You don't have to have anything other than your affiliate link. And how light is that? How much space does an affiliate link take, right? And then all you got to do is promote it. You're not providing anything, and you can make a nice commission off of it, whether it's $6, whether it's 50 cents, or whether it's $1,000. You can really make money in affiliate marketing. And that's one thing I was saying in the video the other day is, this is what I was thinking. Like beginners, some of these capture pages out here is crazy. Like Like, make $1,000 a day, or $500 a day, or $300 a day, which it's not impossible, because think about it. When we go to a regular job, we're making, well, some of us are making that every day anyway, right? Depending on what profession you're in. Some of us are making $300 a day. Some of us are making $200 a day. So it's not impossible to do. So those capture pages, like somebody said, that's too hypey, but really it's not, because if you have a regular job right now, you're making at least, if you're making $10 an hour for 8 hours, that's $80 a day. $30 times 8, you're making $240 a day. So is it really that impossible to do? No, it's not. So, when people say, that's hypey, it's impossible. No, it's not, because if you really break down your yearly salary or whatever and spread it out per day, you're probably making less than that, right? Making that or a little bit less. So it's not hypey or anything like that. It's realer than you. It's all about your mindset, all about where your mind is when you actually see these opportunities and what you're thinking about when you see it. That's all it is. But anyway, I just did a quick rant. I'm at home now. I just wanted to practice making a video, practice trying to stay on point, but obviously that was a fail. But anyway, that's all I got. I got to go in here and change this hard drive now, or an attempt to do that. Maybe I'll try to record that, whether I'm successful or whether I got a profession in IT or not. So anyway, that's all I want to talk about today, which really isn't anything. So I don't even know if I'm going to title this on YouTube and call it anything, but I'll probably put it on my Facebook group. But anyway, as always, thanks for hanging out, and I'll talk to you later.